Polka.Paint. It has launched, it's in the market, a lot of our stockers have ordered already, it's available online, and today we are going to be bragging and showing you guys exactly how this product works. So we have got Imperial Silk, we have got our Legacy White, and then we've got our Carbon, which is a black. So this little table we originally did in 2015 when Granny Bees were born, with testing products those days, so it's a good 8 years back. We've given it a good clean and a little bit of a sand because it's obviously taken some knock, so we've sanded it very lightly. But prep is still very much important with any paint project, so we are going to be using some lacquer thinners just to wipe it down and make sure that our surface is clean, and then I'm going to give it a coat of Legacy, and we'll take you through the steps. Okay, so let's take her for a test drive. Self-leveling paint, covers for miles and miles, great adhesion, water-based. I'm just going to do a thin layer as the first coat because we've got dark colors here that we want to cover. Okay, so I am just giving this a little wipe on the inside so we can close our lid. So our first coat done. So just quickly to touch on wood bleed. If you are nervous about wood bleed, you can prime it either with Block and Tackle, Polka.Seal or Armor. Any of those will work. But otherwise you don't need to do primer. I mean, it's got great adhesion qualities. It really is just if you are nervous for wood bleed. Our first coat is done. It's super hot today. We're in the midst of a heat wave, so it will probably be ready in the next 30 minutes or so. But if you're not sure, leave it for an hour, hour and a half, depending on your weather conditions. But we will be doing our second coat in about 30 minutes. So we are ready for our second coat. I just wanted to give a shout out to Hamilton's. These Enzyme brushes are amazing. It really works very, very well with this paint. So we are going to give our second coat. Just to also recap, eco-friendly, it is water-based. Guys, the coverage is amazing. It goes very far, almost twice as far as any other decor product out there. Painting with this paint is not just painting, it's an absolute experience. You have to give it a try. Check how beautiful the second coat just covers. Also, just like with chalk paint, you don't want to be painting and moving the paint around with your brush. You give it a stroke and you leave it and you move on to the next piece. Self-leveling, evens out beautifully. This is not chalk paint. It's really a awesome feeling to paint with this product. Second coat done. Bearing in mind it's very bold colors. It was actually a stain that we had on here. So yeah, great coverage for second coat. One more coat and we should have full coverage. This can also be used with any of our Granny Bee products. So you guys can still use the Granny Bee chalk paint with this paint. You can use our gilders, you can use our armor, you can seal with armor if you've got armor available and not the Polka.Seal. so it's definitely be possible for you to be interlinking all of these products together. We are on our final coat, last rounds here, coat 3, and then we are done with the first step of our project. Stick around, we're going to show you some techniques and stuff on our next installment. It's going to be some stenciling, and then we are going to be showing you Polka.Seal. So this product took us 3 years to develop. COVID set us back a little bit, but we really wanted to develop a paint out there that doesn't have those brushed strokes like the chalk paint has. There's a time and place for everything, and some people love it, but we also got some feedback from our customers saying that they didn't like that, and that's why they sanded it in between coats. So with this paint, while you are painting, it looks like there's still brush strokes. However, once it's dry, it's got this beautiful, smooth, velvety finish. It's an experience. Polka.Paint. It did not disappoint. Really, guys, if you want to have an awesome painting experience and a beautiful, velvety, smooth finish, this is the product for you. So we probably used like 100 mils for 3 coats on this little coffee table. It was pretty danged up and looks awesome. We will be showing you at a later stage some other things that you can do with Polka.Paint, some stenciling, and how you can integrate some Granny Bee products into this product. But yes, it's an absolute awesome experience. Another thing is our packaging. When we started this company, one of the things that we wanted to do is we wanted our packaging to align with our brand of being eco-friendly, and we are well on our way.